In her room, Mirha sits at a small table, lost in concentration. As she colors a drawing with meticulous care, she holds up the drawing, her eyes sparkling with pride as she admires her creation. A warm smile spreads across Mirha's face as she thinks of her brother. With loving eyes, she puts the finishing touches on the drawing, whispering, "This is the car you always ask for, right?" In the quiet of his dimly lit bedroom, Hussein kneels beside his bed, a beacon of hope in the darkness. His small hands grip each other tightly, a silent plea rising from his heart. Eyes squeezed shut, he whispers his heartfelt wish to the heavens. A fervent wish escapes his lips. "Oh Allah, please give me a car like Mirha's." The nightlight casts a soft glow, illuminating his earnest face as he dreams of a simple joy. In the stillness of the night, his whispered wish hangs in the air, a testament to his innocent dreams. In the hushed hallway, Mama and Baba stand motionless, their eyes drawn to the sliver of light spilling from Hussein's slightly ajar bedroom door. The ethereal strains of Hussein's prayer softly permeate the quiet, filling the hallway with a sense of reverence and peace. Mama and Baba exchange a tender glance, their eyes reflecting a deep well of emotion. A single tear escapes Mama's eye, a testament to the profound love and concern that fills her heart. They nod in unison, a silent agreement sealing their shared hope and devotion. The hallway remains still, bathed in a soft, expectant glow, as Mama and Baba stand united in their vigil.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.
In her room, Mirha sits at a small table, lost in concentration. As she colors a drawing with meticulous care, she holds up the drawing, her eyes sparkling with pride as she admires her creation. A warm smile spreads across Mirha's face as she thinks of her brother.